Hey guys, got for you a VITA. It comes into focus. Come on. There you go. I'll tell you what, let's try this. There you go, it's a VITA 5-pinner. Let's get this back on there for you. Right. Didn't come with a key, so I used my own key. It's the only key you ever need. False set. So we're definitely up against some kind of spool or mushroom maybe. More likely a spool in this kind of lot. Let's get a different hook on that. Starfield feels like it's on its last legs as well. Because of bending that. You can't really see that. I'm not getting any feedback off that peak, it's fucked. Keep slipping off the pins, so use something with a flat end on it. There you go. A lot of clicking going on, but that's just my pick sliding off part of the keyway with that large hook. Sounds worse than it is, honestly. There you go. Right, let's cut this one as well. Get it out of the vise, onto my tray. Some focus for you. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I'm definitely going to invest in some proper clip removers. lose a finger on YouTube, man. But they wouldn't even ask me if I was alright, they'd just remove the video. Nearly there. I don't know what's keeping that on. There we go. Okay. Take that key out. Five standard top pins. Number one, spool with quite fat heads on it. Two standard. Three, another spool, quite fat at the tops and bottom. I dropped 4 and 5 out at the same time then. Doesn't matter which order they go in because they're both mushrooms. One with quite a deep cut at the top and one with quite a shallow cut. I'll get a zoom in on this one. Quite impressed that VITA or VITA have got them like that. There you go. You've got the mushroom, the standard, spool, standard spool, mushroom, mushroom. That's all on there. Yeah. VITA, whatever you want to call it. Standard top pins. Right, cheers lads. If you enjoyed that, come visit us at uklocksport.co.uk. Cheers.